Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, if you are looking for a stunning, durable and easy to install surface solutions, so meet the UV marble sheets, the perfect blend of elegance and strength. So stay tuned to our video why this is a game changer for your home. And in this video, I'll going to tell you what are the advantages, what are the key features and benefits, what will be the price for installing this type of UV sheets. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin the topic. UV marble sheets are high quality decorative panels coated with a UV protective layer, giving them a realistic marble look with extreme durability. They are lightweight, scratch resistant and perfect for walls. It has some beautiful benefits like it just look like a natural stone but at a fraction of the cost. It is UV protection, resistance to fading and yellowing from sunlight. Another benefit is a waterproof and stain resistant, perfect for even in kitchens and bathrooms. Easy to cut and install, so no heavy lifting, just require some glues and you can easily install on the walls. And it is very low in a maintenance, so it just require just wipe with clay, no polishing needed. So friends, now we're going to know that how much it will cost for installing this type of marble sheet designs. So to understand, we have to take some example like, so let we take some, our wall size is 10 by 15. So the total area of the wall is 150 square feet. So if you want to fix total area of the wall of 150 square feet, so one size is 8 by 4, so we will multiply this 8 by 4, so the total area of one sheet will cover is 32 square feet, and each sheet price is almost 2500 rupees. It is almost cost 70 to 75 rupees per square feet. So for 150 square feet wall we require total 5 sheets and each sheet price is almost 2500. So we will multiply this 2000 into 2500 into 5. The price comes is 12,500 rupees for marble sheets. And another material which is required is adhesive. So for this we require almost 600 rupees for adhesive. Another one is for transport, so we will add one more 600 rupees. And to fix we require a labors, so for installing this the labor charges is 20 to 21 rupees per square feet. So total, so we will multiply total area into the per square feet labor rate charges. So total area is 150 square feet and per labor charges per square feet is 21 rupees. 150 into 21, the price comes is 3150. So friends, now we will add all these numbers. For UV sheet the total price was 12,500, and another material which is 600 rupees for adhesive and 600 rupees for transportation plus 3,150 for labor charges. So the total price for installing the UV sheet on the wall of 150 square feet area, the price is 16,850 rupees. So for installing per square feet rate, it will comes almost 110 to 112 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the locations because the labor charges may be vary from location to location. So it totally depends, because in our area the labor charges is 20 rupees per square feet for installing this UV sheet. So this type of UV sheet you can use anywhere like living rooms, like here beside of for on the wall of TV wall, and you can attach wall panels also with this UV sheet, marble sheet, and you can use in bedrooms this above your bed. So how to install this? Installing me UV marble sheet is very simple and easy. Measure and cut with a cutter, apply adhesive to the surface, press the sheet firmly, seal edges if needed. So if you are ready to upgrade your space with UV marble sheets, you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. And if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section, like price, anything. If you want, you can ask me in the comment section. So why it is better than the real marble? Because natural marble is expensive, heavy and hard to maintain. UV marble sheet give you the same luxury look with more durability, less cost and easier installations. So most of them nowadays are installing this type of UV sheet designs for their walls decorations. So friends, if you like